Hello everybody! Today we are at a park here in Seoul to teach Ruby how to ride a bicycle. Let's see how this goes. That's actually a workout for the running parent. Go Ruby! Nice job! You see Ruby? I'm demonstrating. You see how my body's moving side to side? Go Ruby! Ah, good job! You did it! I'm so proud of you! How you feeling?
Good, I did it myself too.
I have a million scrapes.
Let's get some food. Right.
Water, ice cold water.
Ice cold water. You guys, so at this park that we're at, which is right by Seoul Sky Tower, and it's on the Han River. They have literally parks all along the Han River, which is really nice. But they have this giant sand section where you can just bring your kids and they can play with sand, and people are flying kites, and it's just so cute here. Ruby is loving this sand. Honestly, she's loving everything here. Like, this is the happiest that we've seen her because there's just so much for kids. I can't stress how family friendly Seoul is, or South Korea in general. It's just so kid friendly. We've just been walking around this area of Seoul called Sangpa because we're looking for some food, and this is really cool. It looks like a very different area of Seoul that we haven't seen before.
Yeah, it's definitely different.
So you guys literally will not believe us, but the only place in this area that was halal was a Korean barbecue place again. But this one we've never heard of, so it's actually really cool. But we were in the area and we had to stay in the area because there's actually a drone show happening tonight. We're always down for a good Korean barbecue. Okay, let's check the menu out.
We should get the prime rib, we get the Arabic lamb chop.
They have a lamb pot, Tim. We should do a lamb pot.
We can do that.
So this one has been a little different. She came and poured this, I think it's like oil or butter or something. We can't figure it out.
I think it's butter.
I think it's honestly sauce because when she gave us like little side stuff that we can put on, and I think it's sauce for when it's ready.
And then we've got some tofu, sticky rice cakes, mushrooms, and onions over here. So we ordered some lamb, but they have like different cuts of it. Do you know what cut this is?
It's ribs.
Rips.
Salsa, yeah, I don't know. Lamb ribs.
Rips with a P.
Yep. Not ribs.
Not ribs.
Or tips. It's a
maybe
combination.
they meant tips.
Maybe, I don't know. It's rib tips.
Yep.
I'm assuming.
And then they've given us all these different side dishes, and sauces, and a little salad, and some kimchi, of course. Okay, they are done. The owners are so sweet. They gave us free hummus and bread. That was so kind of them.
Oh, that's super nice.
Meat is done, so we're gonna try it.
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
I will.
Really?
Oh, wow. Tastes like a Middle Eastern.
Really?
Yes.
They have that. That's one of their special things.
The
That is
Arabic lamb chop.
yeah.
It's so good.
I'm gonna try it without the sauce, and then I'm gonna try some of the sauce.
Yeah, I put it around.
Oh man. That's exactly what you're saying. We just came and dropped another thing of meat that we ordered because you do have to buy it in like sets, like 2 people minimum when you come here. You can't just come and order like a small thing. You have to order it by their minimums.
Fine with me.
Yeah. Alright, so those rips are done now. I have a feeling these ones are going to be really good because they have a lot of fatty bits on them. And fatty bits.
You just call me fatty bits?
And the fatty bits are always the best
Just
bits.
straight call me fatty bits.
Someone said that to you.
My new nickname.
Ruby,
It's in this season. Oh, she dipped it in the sauce. Good?
yummy?
That's pretty good. I think the other one was better.
Oh really? I need to try this now.
They're pretty good though.
It's gonna be really
I
hot.
like those better than the first one.
Did you?
Oh yeah. What are you thinking, Tom? Those are so good. And now we're cooking our hot pot soup on here. Alright, they came, stirred it up, and it's done. And it looks boiling hot, but it looks good too.
It does. It smells good.
Let me give her more. Tim.
That's enough.
Put it in the bowl.
It's spicy. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's still hot, like burning hot.
Yeah, you burned some. Mine was fine.
My throat is on fire.
That was super tasty,
was
very
so
good.
good.
At this point, from all the lamb meat that we've had, we're gonna literally
sorry.
turn into lamb. Right, Ruby? You're turning into a lamb?
Ruby's been a lamb.
But that was so tasty. What do you rate it? So we rated the last one, I think, was it 6 out of 10?
If the you said 7.
7?
But I would give it a 6.
I would give
A
this
7.
one a 100 million out of 10.
It was better than yesterday's, but it wasn't as good as Yang Good.
Yeah, so Yanggood's 10 out of 10.
Yang Good's 10 out of 10.
Best one for
Hands
sure.
down.
But we actually need to get to a park called Tuksum Park because they're doing a drone show tonight and it starts in like 15 minutes and it takes like 20 minutes to walk there. So we're gonna run. We have Maiden here.
Window! It's moving.
Those are drones, Ruby.
Really? I thought it was like fireworks.
No, those are drones.
Is that why they call it the drone show?
That's exactly why.
What is it turning into? What do you think? A butterfly?
That's what I was gonna say.
I think it's a butterfly too.
Is that a flower or space person?
I think it's a
I still think it's a butterfly.
butterfly.
It's a butterfly going on a flower.
Oh, it is, yep. It just disappeared.
And it
oh.
disappeared. Oh no, it came
Oh, it
out.
didn't, yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
that's
wow.
so pretty.
Butterfly going on a flower.
Hello everybody, today we are starting our day off with some food and we just came to this vegan restaurant called Style Vegan. It's a really cute place. They actually have like an herb garden here where they're growing their own herbs, which is pretty cool. This is our first dish. It is vegan fried shrimp. Pretty interesting.
It tastes really good.
Yeah.
The mustard is super tangy.
That's so crazy. It tastes just like shrimp. I can't believe how close to regular meat or fish vegan meat has come. Honestly, it's really good.
Our main course finally came out. We got a half and half pizza. It looks amazing. We got one half jalapenos. And then on this side we got barbecue old vegan meat. And it looks amazing. Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
That's really good, yeah.
And they give you pickled radish with it. I feel like most meals come with pickled radish, which makes sense. Like the pickle help with digestion.
So do jalapenos. It was so good.
Very good. Highly recommend if you're looking for a vegan place. It's not Korean food, but it's still really good food. And now for the agenda today.
We are gonna go to a forest, and then after that forest, we're going to do something really fun. We're gonna go and do some K-pop dancing. I have been wanting to do this. It's been on my bucket list ever since I heard about K-pop dancing. I'm so excited.
So we walked about 15 seconds in, and then there's this really cool park. So I guess Ruby gets to play. Shaw's gonna take a nap.
I am feeling drained. I don't know what it is. I think we've just been go, go, go. Like since we've gotten to Seoul, that I'm just feeling a little tired today. We're here in like the beginning of fall, and I think the leaves change at some point. It would be really cool to see them all change. So
Look at her. She's a menace.
Ruby's having so much fun.
Almost anything we do too, she has fun here. Literally just walking around. But I guess we're gonna hang out here for a bit, and then we're gonna explore a little bit more.
I don't think you're supposed to do that.
I'm supposed to do whatever I want. So we got the butterfly garden right here and an insect garden. They close at 5 p.m. and it's 5:20. So we're just gonna break it.
Stop.
Turtle! It's a turtle!
A turtle?
Right here! It's a turtle!
Oh, you're right. There he is.
It's fish!
What do you think he's doing?
I think he's just feeling the breeze.
Feeling the breeze on his nose.
All right, cutting this forest short because we have a class to go get to. Timmy and Ruby are gonna get their K-pop dancing on. You practicing? Oh, there's actually a really cool dance studio that teaches like K-pop artists like what do you call it?
Choreography.
Choreography. Choreography. There it is. Wow. They're starting with their stretches.
much longer. I am so much stronger. ready 스며들게 주문을 걸어봐. Provide me shade and I really thrive on it. 오늘도 역시 괜히 기분이 이상해. Sipping lemonade from my lemon tree honey. Let me spill the tea on all these haters all love me. Broke up all the killing it. Winning at it.
You guys, I'm literally dying because I don't think Tim thought this was gonna be like a workout, but it definitely looks pretty intense. And he's trying so hard. So funny to watch. Ruby's just having the best time, you can tell. But the lady came up to me because I was like recording so much because it's just too good not to record. And she was like, you can't record too much. So I'm trying to be like sneaky now with my recording. How was that? You did so well.
Embarrassed myself.
You're getting it on.
Embarrassed myself.
Do you feel like a K-pop star now?
Oh, I feel like it's a fat, sweaty hippo.
Ruby, you did so well.
You okay? What happened?
Did you have fun? Do you see how dancing is a sport now? I think Timmy had more fun than Ruby.
There's like two other guys in there. It was so embarrassing.
No, you did so well.
They're both half my weight, just jiggling around.
No, and Ruby, I was so proud of. Yeah, she's got the snip. Look, oh, that's the.
It wasn't cool.
It wasn't cool.
It wasn't. It was amazing.
Amazing. Do you recommend to the people?
Yeah. Also, don't wear jeans.
Look at them. But they were all wearing like baggy break dancing clothes.
And I had tight jeans on and a hoodie that doesn't really fit.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
So it is the next day, and as you can hear, pretty noisy where we are right now. But we spent most of the day just hanging out in our Airbnb, taking it easy. And tonight, there's a really, really special festival happening here in Uido Park. Is that where we are?
Yeah.
It's a park right along the Han.
That's right.
It's a park right along the Han River, and there's an international festival happening today, firework festival.
Yeah, I'm not sure what makes it international. I know they have like an international firework area and then a Seoul firework area. So I guess that makes it international. I don't know. Maybe there'll be flag fireworks or something. Oh my God, and there's so many people that you're waiting at least an hour and a half for that.
Yeah, for the food. Sorry, it's so busy. It's so chaotic. When we were coming here, the subways were crazy busy.
Yeah.
Like it was more than sardines like in the subway. Last year here in Itaewon there was a really bad accident where there were there was this basically like a stampede. People were trampled. There were so many people in one place. A lot of people lost their lives. Hey, Ruby.
At this park, one girl, she spoke English, and another boy on that thing, he had like those kites he saw, and it fell, and I picked it up and gave it to
Aw,
her.
that's so sweet.
And they both spoke English.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
very nice. Okay, have fun. We're at the playground of the park so Ruby can play because there's so many kids playing and she loves the playgrounds and the parks here are amazing. We found a spot, but it's like to put our like blanket and stuff like that. But it's so crowded. We like walked around for so long before we actually found a spot to park up.
Yeah.
And then now that we came to the playground, there's so many spots here at this playground that I was like, why don't we just come here? And I'm trying to get Tim to come here, but
We're fine. We're fine where we're
we're literally seated right behind a bicycle station. There's like a roof and there's trees in front of us. We can't see any of the fireworks when they happen.
The fireworks are in the sky, so we could see them. Also, when the fireworks are over and everyone is in a madhouse to leave, we'll leave way before we would if we were down here.
No, but then also Ruby can play on the playground here.
She's playing now, ain't she?
I know, but then we're gonna have to go back eventually.
Oh yeah, all these people are gonna have to go back. Fireworks gonna start.
And also more people are parking up here, so I'm like, we're gonna lose our chance.
We're fine.
How about I stay and you go get the stuff?
I'll
At the
just
end
sit
of the
back in
day,
my
you'll
blanket.
know what's gonna happen.
It's not gonna
I'm
happen.
gonna get my way. I always do.
It's not gonna happen.
Yeah, ready? Let's go! We're trying to find some food, and this first place
we
we
got
went up to, we didn't say anything. We just stood there for like 5 seconds, and
We were
then
talking
he
about
gave
what it
to
looked
us.
like and what looked good, and then
Yeah.
he just handed us a bag.
That was just the funniest experience.
It smells good. So.
Yeah, it smells good. But we're trying to find a bunch of things, and we'll go back to our thing, and then we'll show you what we got. All right, we're back at our little picnic spot, and wait, I need to show you our view because I talked to them about it right here. This is the bicycle section, and that is where the fireworks are going to be.
Yeah, we're gonna be laying down.
You're gonna be laying
You're welcome.
down. No, but please tell me, don't you think that playground area? I don't know if I got a shot of it. If I did, I'll put it.
It was
in
horrible.
somewhere.
I can tell them. So the playground view was better, but we would have to like move everything. So it'd be such a big deal.
It wouldn't be that big of a deal, silly.
Honestly,
That's
You
my
sound
girl.
like Pabla.
That's
She
my girl.
sounds just like you. It's very tired.
job.
We've got literally a blanket. That's all we've got.
We got
well,
backpack.
we have to put it back in the backpack and then pick
Oh.
everything up and then go.
Oh my gosh, it's not the end of the world.
Neither is this view.
Okay, you guys are eating the food. We didn't even tell them what we got. Okay.
I'm
so,
sorry, Chef Gil.
People have been really kind. They don't speak any English,
I'll
but
help
they've
you
been
now.
super helpful. So the first thing that, like we said, we told you we got.
We think it's walnuts.
It's like a pastry dough, like a pancake
it is,
dough,
yeah.
filled with some sort of creamy filling he put in there, and then a walnut
even know
or
if you can see that.
peanuts. Yeah. So
Oh,
we just took a you
good?
took a bite.
It's good.
Yeah, it's like creamy in the middle.
Oh wow, it's like a donut. It's like a Timbit. And then we got some sweet potato sticks.
That was fun trying to understand what they were saying.
Yeah, it took a while, but she finally figured out how to explain to us what it was.
So these are cool. They're
They're
very
little
thin.
crisp. Yeah, they're like little potato sticks, but they taste
That's really good on.
really good. And then we got some, I think it's fish cake soup.
We had this big pot of broth, an anchovy broth, and then they have these fish cakes inside of them.
I had the fish cakes. They're pretty good.
Ready?
I mean the walnuts.
It's like the sweetest thing when somebody feeds you here. That's how you know they love you when they feed you. I think
It's the sweetest thing. That's how you know they love you.
they have a whole convenience store 7-Eleven set up where you can come and get things. What'd you find?
Powerade.
Sweet corn tea. They also are selling fried chicken everywhere. Look at that, Ruby. She got her cotton candy.
It tastes like bubble gum.
I need to try it. Oh man! All right, the show has started officially. They just let off a firework, and I think the rest of them are gonna start soon.